In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter the view without changing grand totals in Tableau. This is a common task, especially when you want to maintain the integrity of your overall data while still drilling into specifics. Here's how we can achieve this. First, let's begin by opening your Tableau public app. Once you have it open, access your worksheet. It's important to have your workspace ready before delving into the specifics of filtering and managing totals. Now, once you're in your worksheet, drag State to the Rows area. This sets up the initial structure of your data visualization and makes it easier to work with various dimensions. Next, take Sales from your data fields and drag it to the Text shelf. By doing this, you'll display the sales numbers alongside each state, providing a clear numerical representation as you proceed with further steps. Then navigate to the Analysis menu at the top and go to Totals. From the drop-down, select Show Column Grand Totals. This action will display the grand total for your sales right at the bottom of the column, giving you an overview of the cumulative figure. Now that you have your totals, click on State in the view, and then select Show Filter. This allows you to filter specific states directly from the visualization pane without altering the overall data structure too early in the process. By default, if you unselect specific states, you might notice that the grand total dynamically changes, reflecting only the selected data. This is where many users find a challenge, as it might not be desirable for their analysis. To manage this, we'll use a calculated field. Create a new sheet to organize your workspace. In this new sheet, go to Analysis and select Create Calculated Field. Name it Grand Totals, type in your query, and click OK. This calculated field will help maintain the grand total constant, irrespective of the filters applied. Now, once you have your calculated field, drag State back to the Rows area and place the newly created Grand Totals calculated field onto the text shelf. This action displays the predefined total value without changing as we filter states. To complete the setup, navigate back to Analysis, click Totals, and reselect Show Column Grand Totals. Then ensure you've clicked State again in your view and choose Show Filter to bring up the filter once more. Finally, if you unselect different states from your filter now, you'll see that the grand total does not change. This keeps the overall figures intact and consistent with your original data scope, no matter how you manipulate the visible states. And there you have it, a foolproof way to filter views without altering your grand totals in Tableau. I hope you find this method useful for all your data presentation needs. Thanks for tuning in.